And there you have it, guys. As you can clearly see, we've got a free 12-month CapCut Pro subscription, absolutely free. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you can see exactly how I did it, step by step. All right, first things first, open up your web browser and head over to a site called bonzo-code.com. Be sure to spell it correctly so you don't land on the wrong page. Once you're on the site, you'll notice there are a bunch of different gift codes available, completely free. They add new ones every week, so it's definitely worth checking back regularly. Now let's search for the one we're after. In this case, it's CapCut Pro. Okay, here it is. Just tap on it to proceed. On this page, you'll see we can claim a free 12-month CapCut Pro subscription. You'll notice that the code is hidden at first. We need to unlock it before we can use it. Go ahead and press Unlock Code and let the tool work in the background for a few seconds. At this point, you'll see a message saying you need to complete any 2 tasks to unlock the code. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just follow along with me. All you have to do is download and open any 2 of the apps listed. Make sure you run each one for at least 30 seconds. Every offer has specific instructions, so read them carefully and follow them exactly. Otherwise, it won't register properly. Let's go ahead and complete one of the offers now. I'll fast forward this part since it can take a few minutes to finish. Alright, once the app is downloaded, make sure you open it up and interact with it just like it says in the instructions. This part is really important. If you skip it or close the app too soon, the system won't count it. You can skip this part if you're just watching, or you can follow along. Totally up to you. Okay, we've completed the required tasks. Let's go back to the site, refresh the page, and wait a moment. And there we go. The page has now been unlocked. Let's scroll down and boom, there's the code we've been waiting for. Go ahead and click Show Coupon, and there it is, your 12-month CapCut Pro code. Now the final step is super easy. All you have to do is open the CapCut app, go to the Redeem Code section, and just enter the code you got. That's it. I'm not going to show that part in this video because it's really straightforward and this video is already getting a bit long, but trust me, once you enter the code, your CapCut Pro subscription will be activated instantly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.